One with nature. Nature is a gift for the soul, oneness in her profound flow. Nature is the purest portal to inner peace. The minute I step into natural space and leave behind the busyness and heaviness of city life, something changes within myself. I am filled with sudden peace. All to-do lists dissolve. It feels like the world doesn't exist anymore. Just me and natural sounds that come from different directions. I find a tree and decide to sit on one of its strong branches. This one is a bit different. Its roots are bended. It is a lovely sunny day. The sky is blue and my feet rest on a smooth grass, touching the ground. It feels so good. Few people pass by, slowly and peacefully, like me wanting to connect and relax on their walk. There is a little breeze in the air. I close my eyes for a moment, and suddenly it feels like I'm on a boat that rocks gently. I imagine that I am out in the sea, but it is the tree that moves with the rhythm of the gentle breeze. The silence is blissful. I don't need to be anywhere. I don't need to explain anything to anyone. Nature gives so much and asks for nothing. It welcomes you with open arms, covers you in a blanket of peace, doesn't ask any questions, and at the same time gives clarity to your mind. God's masterpiece. Yes, He provided these places so we can go and be, so we can feel alive once again, restore our inner spirit, and enjoy a peaceful moment, even if it doesn't last long. I often feel sad when I have to leave, but at the same time, my mind, my body and my spirit feels energized. Here in nature, I get inspired the most. Even in the quietness of your own garden, away from noise, you'll find something that this constant world of distractions will never offer you. Because what would I do without a place like you, nature? But remember, use nature wisely. Some places need caution. But most importantly, find that little spot where you live. Even a small bench under a tree or a park nearby would do wonders to your mind. And all this is for free. That is my nature, how I see.